Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup server files with SFTP to your home NAS safely. Complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have access to your server and your home NAS device. First, check that your server has an SFTP server installed and running. If not, you may need to install one such as OpenSSH on your server. Next, confirm that your home NAS is connected to your local network and is powered on. Find the IP address of your home NAS. This is typically available in your NAS settings. Now, on your server, open the terminal or command prompt. Use the command SFTP username at server IP to connect to your server via SFTP. Replace username with your actual username and server IP with your server's IP address. You will be prompted to enter your password. Type it in and press enter. Once logged in, you'll see an SFTP prompt. Next, navigate to the directory where your server files are stored. Use the command cd your directory to change to the desired directory. After locating your files, you may want to create a directory on your NAS to receive the backups. On the SFTP prompt, enter /path/ to /nas/backup folder to create a new folder for your backups on the NAS. Now, change your local directory to the new NAS backup folder. Use the command lcd/path/ to /nas/backup folder to set the local directory. To initiate the file transfer, use the command put file name. Replace file name with the actual name of the file you want to back up. If you have multiple files, you can use ** to transfer all files in the current directory. Once the transfer is complete, confirm the files exist in your NAS directory. To exit the SFTP session, type by and press enter. Back on your terminal or command prompt, you may want to set up a scheduled task for regular backups. Consider using a cron job for Linux-based systems or task scheduler for Windows. For a cron job, you would enter crontab E in the terminal. Then, add a line specifying the schedule and the SFTP command you used. For Windows, create a new task in Task Scheduler to run your backup script at designated times. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.